Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Moist Sun Serum. And I'll quickly go over the benefits, then we're heading into the example skincare routines, and lastly the demonstration. And you'll find the timestamps in the description box down below if you want to jump right into the application. Now let's see. This is a broad spectrum chemical sunscreen suitable for all skin types. It has SPF 50+ and PA4+, which protects against both UVA and UVB rays. It doesn't leave a white cast and feels somewhat lightweight on the skin and due to its serum gel-like texture. It also contains a 30% of ginseng, 2% of niacinamide to strengthen the skin barrier and provide antioxidant benefits, fighting free radicals which can be harmful to the skin and cause premature aging. Now I want to quickly go over another question that I often see in my comments, and this is: when should you use it? Well, sunscreen should be used during the daytime to protect your skin against the damaging UV rays, which can cause sunburn, premature aging, and even some types of skin cancers. However, in the evening or at night, when there's no sun or when you're indoors and not exposed to direct sunlight, like not sitting close to a window, sunscreen is not needed. So be sun smart and adjust it to your day-to-day activities, but don't overthink this. There's also often the confusion about when it's applied if you have a more advanced skincare routine. Still, it's the last step in your morning skincare routine. You begin by cleansing your face with a cleanser that's suitable for your skin type, then pat the skin dry. After that, if you have a toner or essence at home, this would be your next step. Let it absorb, and then move on to your serum. And remember to choose the right treatment for your skin type and concerns. In case you have more than one serum and they have different textures, layer from the thinnest to the thickest. Let it absorb for a moment, and then follow with Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Moist Sun Serum. As for the evening routine, as already emphasized, you do not need to use your sunscreen. The main change is essentially just the cleansing step, where you may want to use a balm cleanser to effectively remove the sunscreen, and then follow with the rest of your skincare products. And then the last step could be a moisturizer. And this would wrap up the setup of an example morning and evening skincare routine. And I now want to head into the application. So we are getting started with the first step, which is cleansing your face. And I'm going to use Beauty of Joseon's Green Plum Cleanser, which effectively removes excess oil and sweat from the skin. So let's get started. Wet your face with warm water. Then dispense a small amount onto your fingers. Rub hands together to foam up the cleanser. Then massage it evenly over your face and neck for about 15 to 30 seconds. After massaging, rinse it off with warm water. If you're at the sink, you can use a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth to help remove the cleanser more effectively. And if you've used a washcloth, remember to rinse again several times to ensure everything is clean. Lastly, take a clean towel and pat the skin dry. Now you could go ahead and immediately apply your sunscreen. However, you could also apply your favorite toner, essence or serum before using the sunscreen. And for this demonstration I'm going to use their ginseng essence, and then I'm going to follow with their vitamin C serum, as this should be a great routine for anyone that's following this demonstration, as it provides hydration and antioxidant benefits. To use the ginseng essence, dispense about a coin-sized amount onto the palm of your hand. Rub hands together to distribute the product. Then apply it evenly over your face and neck. Leave it on the skin, do not rinse it off. Give it 30 to 60 seconds to absorb into the skin, and then you can follow with your favorite serum. In this example, I'm using Beauty of Joseon's Light On Serum with Centella and a vitamin C derivative. Dispense about a pea-sized amount onto your fingertip. Rub fingertips of both hands together. Then massage it evenly over your face, avoiding the eyelids and lips. You can also include the neck if desired. Again, leave it on the skin and do not wash it off. Then give it 30 to 60 seconds to absorb, and then you can follow with Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Moist Sun Serum. Use about 1/3 to half a teaspoon. Then apply it evenly over your face, neck and ears, and a bit of your décolletage if exposed. For this demonstration I'm focusing only on my face and neck, but you can adjust it according to your needs. You can use the sunscreen around the eyes. However, if for some reason you do not tolerate it well, you can leave out that area and then use sunglasses with UV protection instead. Now, of course, you leave it on the skin and you do not need to wash it off, as it should give you protection for the day. But what's also important here is, since it's a chemical sunscreen, you need to apply 10 to 15 minutes before sun exposure so that it has time to set. But also, if you're a person that likes to follow with makeup, after these 10 to 15 minutes, you can then apply your concealer, foundation, and so on. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful, that I could answer most of your questions. Thanks so much for watching, and happy skincaring!